Adding Pizzazz to your email messages is easy with Outlook 2007. When you create a new message, you see the familiar plain white background. But there are many easy ways to make your email message stand out. Changing the background color is simple. On the Options tab, in the Themes group, click Page Color. As you move your mouse pointer over the color choices, you will see a preview of how the background will look. There are two other background options to give your message a unique look. Again, click Page Color, but this time, click Fill Effects at the bottom of the menu. There are lots of options available here, but here's something simple. Under Shading Styles, click Horizontal. Now the background has a gradual fade to black. Another background option is to use a texture. Go back to the Fill Effects dialog box, but this time, click the Texture tab. There are 24 different textures included with Outlook 2007. I've picked this nice grain appearance for my message about the company picnic. Now I can add the text. First, I'll add the heading, Company Picnic. That's not really capturing the excitement I want. I can spice up the heading by selecting the text, clicking on the Insert tab, and then in the text group, clicking Word Art. I'll pick a word art style. Any style will work for now. Notice the text I highlighted is already in the Word Art text editor. I'll click OK. Now that's better. But let's see what some of my other options are. I'll click the down arrow next to Word Art Styles. And as the mouse pointer hovers over the selections, I see a preview of what the heading Company Picnic will look like against my background. When I select a Word Art style, the Word Art tools appear. I can use these to make lots of customizations. I can change the spacing of the characters, add some drop shadows, and try all kinds of 3D effects. Now I'll add some text about the picnic. Just as I customize the heading, I can do some special things with the body text as well. I really want to draw the reader's attention to the second paragraph. I'll use a shape to do that. On the Insert tab, in the Illustrations group, click Shapes. This arrow should do the trick. I like the arrow, but it's on top of my text. That's easy to fix using the drawing tools that appear while the arrow is selected. On the Format tab, in the Arrange group, click Text Wrapping, and then click Square, so the text will flow around the arrow. That's better. But the arrow is pretty plain. It's easy to turn that arrow into a professional-looking graphic. In the Shape Styles group, I click the down arrow to see all of my choices. Just as before, when I hover over a gallery in the ribbon, a preview of what the choice would look like appears. And just as before when I customized the Word Art heading, I have lots of choices, such as shadow effects, for customizing this graphic. There's one last thing I need to do. That's to make sure people RSVP for the picnic. I'll highlight the last line to draw attention to that request. Now there's a message that certainly will stand out. It's quick, it's easy, it's Outlook 2007.